Welcome back to our Sunday school. What we have here today is our brand new bug wipes, 3D bug wipes. These right here, they're very lubricated, very concentrated. Like that, it breaks down the bugs very easy. So this right here is our bug wipes. You're gonna do is wipe this area down. Very easy and very, very effective. Now we wipe. So it removed all the bugs, no scratches. All right, so these you can use them on the trims, on your glass, on your paint, your headlights, and on your motorcycles. Very easy to use with all those bugs. Before and after. See, there's no color change at all. Very safe on all black trims. All right, I want to thank everybody for always joining us and tuning in to our Sunday school. That's how easy it is to use our wipes, our new 3D wipes. And remember, they're coming out in a few weeks, so stay tuned.